I had an idea to make a distortion pedal that had this wild, rattly delay that snapped in when you pressed the button and cut off as soon as you stopped pressing that button in a kind of momentary way. I thought it'd be really exciting. I thought it'd be really useful. And we had a bunch of enclosures left over from the last production run of our breakbox pedal. We realised we could repurpose this, and so the Recycle Box was born. It uses the same distortion circuit from the breakbox, which is our favourite overdrive circuit, and the back end of our tone bender collaboration we did way back with Colour Sound. So we're missing out the fade-in chorus, but instead we've got this delay, which is actually a triple tap delay with the speed of the three delays quite strangely positioned with each other, just so it adds to the kind of chaos of the whole thing. And this delay does have a tendency to feed back, if you wanted to massive amounts, big old crescendos. Because it's from the breakbox enclosure, we realised there's only two controls that we can use for the delay, which are the old pitch, scratch pitch knob, and the chorus speed. And delays normally have three controls, so we had to decide to get rid of one. You've got to have the feedback, you've got to have the speed, so we got rid of the amount. So it's fixed to quite a lot of delay, because this pedal has a lot of attitude and is really exciting. I really like how the delay comes in. You can hear it snap into this other world of just chaos echo stuff going on. And when you release it, it goes straight back just to the distortion. So it's really exciting, and you can do all these kind of weird sort of drone hold things, freezy type things, crazy crescendos. It has an amazing effect when it's really oscillating a lot and you turn the speed of the delay down. It sounds like there's been a really terrible disaster. It's like crowds going crazy. So that's good. So we made a vinyl label to repurpose the controls to this new pedal, and it takes me back to when I used to make pedals and they all had vinyl labels. And I was laying them down and pushing in the holes, cutting out the holes and all that stuff. Anyway, so this is a new thing for us now, really. And it's great to not have to just junk the enclosures, that we're reusing the enclosure. So it's an analog distortion with a digital delay. And to me, it seems like the best of both worlds. And I think there's loads of occasions where that's the only pedal I would take with me.